about EC2. What is EC2? Okay, so I'm going to show you demonstrations how to create EC2 machine. So I'm here. You can check AWS console and you can go from services, and even you can type from here. Otherwise, if you want, select from many options, so you can select, you can check within a compute EC2 options. So I'm clicking on EC2. Okay, again here you can check your EC2 options. Here something about EC2 and how many instances are running, you can check. Okay, so I'm just click on the launch instance. Okay, so here first option is choose AMI, Amazon machine image. So you can check here whatever you want, operating system and machine, you can select from here. Okay, so I'm going to select first is this one, Amazon Linux AMI 2018. Okay, so select. Now you can, I'm selecting here options T2 micro, general purpose, this is a free version, and here you can check number of instance 1. Okay, because of I want only one instance because of for the demo installations. And here you can check for the network, by default is VPC. So I don't want, if you want to create, you can create also network. I don't want right now to create VPC any, so I just already I selected here VPC 0651. Okay, subnet, I don't want any subnet right now. You can check here already 3 options available. Otherwise you can create subnet, so you can select from here. And R2 assign IP address, if you want you can check elastic IP, if you want you can select from here. Okay, so capacity 0, I'm doing nothing. AMI also just for the normal purpose I'm using. Okay, so hope so you understand these things. And I'm again clicking on next storage. Here you can check about the storage volume, type, root, and size. I have already here 8 GB, so I don't want to extend. So if you want to extend, you can update your machines also. You can check from 8 GB to 16 GB, whatever you want you can select. And now this one tag, if you want particular search any from the tag, it's easy to understand which machines are running, so you can put the name. I'm putting right now sit website, sit website, and value also I want to say sit website. Here you can check the security group options. I'm putting here HTTPS, that's it. Now improve instant security launch with open world. Yes, I don't want, I want for the whole world. Now you can check here ABS and launch. If you want particular any existing or you want to create, you can select from here. So acknowledge. Actually I have just right now set website I have created, so I want this one only. So I have, now I want to click launch instance. It will take a little bit time. You can check from here also. This instance is running. Name sit website. It will take a little bit time. So for the time being, you can open your terminal. Since our PEM file present in downloads folder, so I'm already in download folder. So to command chmod 400 and PEM file name. This is my PEM file. Now check your instance is running, so you can click on connect. Now you don't need to do anything, just put on the Yes. Now your instance are ready. So now you need to install Linux machine. Okay, so I'm giving some command. Even you can check, just a second. Sudo here update -y. Now complete. Update is already complete. So we need to again install PHP and MySQL server. So I just type sudo yum install -y http d24 php 70 MySQL 56 hyphen server space php 70 hyphen MySQL. This process will take a little bit time. Now process already completed. Now sudo check config httpd start sudo service httpd start. Now sudo check config httpd now check config list httpd. These are running, and now we need to give permissions to our folder. So I'm giving right a permission for the add user sudo user mod -a -g capital G and Apache EC2 user. Now enter. We already given the permissions. Now we given the wrong permissions. So look, sudo turn -r EC2 user. This is Apache. Well, now here we need to start service for the HTTP. So I'm typing sudo service httpd start. So our service is already started. So suppose I'm typing here stop, so you can check here our service is stopped. Now again I'm typing here start, so now you check our service again start. Okay, so now you can check our configuration settings. Sorry, we need to also start our configuration settings. So I'm putting here sudo chk c1fig configuration httpd on. Okay, now check your configuration. Configuration list httpd. Okay, so now you can check your configurations here. HTTP 0 is off, on, last is off. Okay, now we need to give permission. So I'm giving permission sudo user mod hyphen A hyphen capital G Apache and folder www. Okay, so also we need to give permissions for this folder. We have sudo user mod. This is the correct syntax. Okay, sudo user mod hyphen A. I forget to give Apache. We have already added user. 1 second. We need to give permission. I forget. Sorry. Sudo minus username EC2 hyphen user colon Apache. Again, this is a correct syntax we have written. Forget the hyphen colon, so we get error here. This file is not here. We have, I think so, written a mistake. So let me do something. Touch space php info.php. Now check. Yes, here. Now nano php info. Writing equal php info. X. Now run php info.php. Now you can check configurations. MySQL here is on. It is perfect here. Okay, now secure the database. So I'm going to start our service first. Sudo service MySQL d start. It will take a little bit time. Oh, I have put here. Let's go. Enter your for the root. Enter for none. Set the password. Yes, new password is ringtone. So no. Install phpMyAdmin. So look here. Okay, next is for the starting services. So here sudo service http start. Again, I have already S20 folder, so we don't need to go. And here we need to install from phpMyAdmin server. Now this is also done, I think so. So here we're making one folder. So phpMyAdmin cannot search directory. This is existing, I think so. So we can go. All files now successfully. Next is delete from. Yes, this is also done. Now service start again. It's now running fine. Let's check again. IP address php. Yes. Make it here. put a username and password. Yes, now it's successfully created. Okay, look at here, everything is fine.